Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Snapchat account without phone number or without email. If you want to create your Snapchat account without phone number or email address, let's see how can you do this. First of all, you just have to open your Snapchat app and here just tap on sign up. To sign up in your account, just tap on allow to sync your contacts or deny if you want. And here you have to enter your name as I'm going to enter this one. Enter the name, then agree and continue. Here, just enter the date of birth, as I'm going to enter randomly this one. Just tap on continue. Here, this is the username. Just tap on continue, and here just set a password as I have entered. Just tap on continue again, and here you just have to enter your email. But we are going to create an account without using email address. So let's see how. Just go back. Go for home screen, open your browser, and here go for search and search for temp-mail. You just have to search for this, then open the first website here, and here it will give you a temporary email address which you can easily use to create your Snapchat account. Just like that, just tap on copy to copy your email address. Now just open your Snapchat app here, just paste the copied email, then tap on continue, and here just keep the enter your phone number option. So that's how you can easily create a new Snapchat account without using your email or phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.